front of me is Samsung Galaxy A37, and today I would like to show you how you can change display refresh rate. First of all, go into settings and scroll to tap on display. Now choose Motion Smoothness over here and tap on one of those options, adaptive or standard. Wherever you decided, when you finished, hit apply and wait. As you can see, after a few seconds, screen refresh rate of my Samsung has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!